We are here in Semuc Champey. We finally made it. And this is in the area of Coban, Alta Verapaz, Guatemala. This is where Ricardo Arjona did the video, the music video, on the swing.
Oh.
Yeah. Remember that swing?
Yes, I remember the video.
Pero para bajar.
En esa galera, mire, de ahí se tiró,
This is where he did the swing.
El columpio ya no está, pero sí es ahí.
Y hay una lancha para un colazo.
Wow, beautiful.
Siempre habíamos bajado con el
Mira, porque están trabajando ahorita.
Sí, pero mira, el agua se hace como puro remolinito, mira. ¿Ya viste? ¿Ya viste?
We're here eating something. I don't know where we're at. We're in the middle of somewhere.
Semuc Champey.
Yeah, what you said. We're here. And we're about to go into the water and just, have a good time. Looking forward to it. First time here.
But in the meantime, we're going to
I have no idea where we're going to.
eat.
Oh, yes, we're about to eat right now in the meantime. And then we're about to venture out.
What are we expected to eat?
I think we ordered carne asada, so we'll see what that looks like when it gets there.
And chicken.
No, we only ordered carne asada.
Oh, okay. Jessica?
Hi.
Mira mi pierna.
Y más todavía.
Un saludo ahí de parte de Sergio también.
Saluditos.
David.
Saludos.
Dando fuerza para irnos a meter.
Odili.
Ay.
Vamos, Jenny, Eva. Saludo uno, a izar la bandera. Okay, we're here at the entrance of the world famous Semuc Champey.
Mi esposo trae una cerveza.
Bien, lo que pasa es que hola.
¿Quieres muy rico?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're heading down to Semuc Champey.
We're walking, we're hiking. Every time we come to Guatemala, we always find a trail to hike. Needless to say, we get our steps in. The other day, we came close to 10,000 steps. I don't know how many steps we're gonna do today because we're hiking. And we'll figure out where we're gonna end up.
Can you tell us about this beautiful piece of nature here?
You know what? It's absolutely beautiful, but the rocks are slippery. I'm paying attention more to make sure I don't slip and fall.
Okay.
It puts my ankle.
So that. Beautiful part of nature again. This wonderful piece of land here called Semuc Champey. Monkeys right here. So we're gonna try to locate them. Oh, I see them. I see the monkeys over there. Look at that. See it? It's crossing the tree. Look right ahead.
Trying to find the safest path. Because these rocks are no joke and they're slippery. So, yeah. concentrating on my life right now.
We finally made it to Semuc Champey. Look at this beauty here. The high mountains that surround this beautiful place where Garinagu have explored.
Oh my goodness, this was a challenging hike. Only because the rocks were slippery. It just started to rain and everything like that. So other than that, I mean, it's worth this beauty that we're seeing right now. But yeah, it wasn't an easy walk, but it was worth it. No more complaints. It's beautiful, yay! Woo! This is what we came here for. See this extraordinary, beautiful, beautiful natural nature. Look at this. This is just totally awesome. It was worth it.
We're making history. Garinagu exploring.
Woo!
Come on, Garinagu.
We're actually just enjoying the beauty this nature has to offer here in Guatemala. This is so beautiful. I mean, look at the color of the water. It's like so aqua green, turquoise, beautiful. I wish it was a little bit warmer. I would definitely get into the water. You know, there's little fishes in the water.
Keep talking.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I'm catching my breath from this hike because the hike was for real. The hike was, yeah, the hike was something else. It wasn't one of the most easiest hike that we've gone through, and that's just being honest about it. I guess because it rained and the rocks are slippery. I mean, we've hiked Tikal and we've hiked like so many other places, but this one really took my breath away. And yeah, because I was concentrating on not slipping and falling and breaking my neck, so we could capture this beautiful view for you as you look around. Look at everything, 360 degrees. It's just absolutely beautiful.
Tell you how muddy it is with the rain. Keep going so we can show them the muddiness.
We're all together.